working with database modeling and received an XM file from a colleague. This is an extended model file from SAP PowerDesigner used for data architecture. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these model files. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful XEM troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround, for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. An XEM file stores a data model created in SAP PowerDesigner, a comprehensive enterprise modeling and architecture tool. Data architects, developers, and business analysts use these files to design, analyze, and manage complex database structures or business processes. The user intent is to share, version, or modify these system designs. This format is XML-based, making it human-readable and highly suitable for version control systems like Git. SAP chose XML for its structured, extensible nature, which allows it to represent complex entities, relationships, and metadata in a standardized way that facilitates interoperability and automated processing. SAP PowerDesigner, engineered by SAP SE, is the application of choice for XEM. The file requires specific internal validation routines that only the proprietary software performs. Windows exposes the file's code but relies on specialized tools for actual interpretation. Let's find the winning application. Right-click your XEM file and select Open With. If SAP PowerDesigner is there, test it now. If not, grab another application. Testing helps us eliminate common software conflicts. When your XEM file does not open, it is usually a small issue. This XEM format requires a precision approach. The error isn't random. Let's go through this quick checklist to ensure every necessary component is verified. First, opening in PowerDesigner. Launch SAP PowerDesigner and use File, then Open to load the XEM file or attach it to an existing model through Model then Extensions. The extension definitions become available within the model's metaclasses and templates for use during data modeling. Next, editing extensions. Use the PowerDesigner resource editor to view and modify XEM extension definitions, including custom properties, stereotypes, and code generation templates. Save changes back to the XEM file to share the updated extensions with other modelers on the project team. Finally, generating code. Apply the XEM extension to a physical or conceptual data model and use tools then generate to produce DDL scripts or application code based on the templates defined in the extension. Review the generated output to confirm the extension produces the expected artifacts. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.